guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have May's little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, the May 2024 little bee box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, this particular box is mainly for children, and you get to select the size, the color, the gender, all of that, and it's custom made for that specific child. My box is actually geared towards my friend's child, who is a year old. So it should be for a 12-month-old baby girl. And I love it because then I get to give this to my friend. I get to see her and the baby. Most of the time I get to see the baby too. And then I get to get photos of her enjoying the stuff for this video for you guys. So it's a win-win. Plus, the last time I got to see her was, oh my goodness, I think when we went to go purchase the newer chicks that we have. And that, I think I've had them now for 5 or 6 weeks. So it's been a while. Also with this one, I did actually ask the owner to start sending it to me bi-monthly. She was sending it to me every single month, but my friend and her husband actually moved an hour away one way from me. So I just didn't want to have to put either one of us in a position to every single month having to meet just so I can get the photos and all of that. So I asked to go every other month to give her a little bit more time in between, especially like I said, since she is so far away now. So this one now will be every other month. That's why I did not get it last month. I actually asked a few different companies to do that just to lighten my load a little, but this one was to help her since she moved so far away. Damn it, because now I don't get to see him as much. But let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside this one. Now, I don't remember 2 months ago if I did mention it in that one or if I found out after, and I haven't done another one until now. But before, there was the little bee box and then the little bee hair accessories box, which they went ahead and eliminated the hair accessories box. I think it's perfectly fine because she could put hair accessories in here that actually match the outfits and stuff. So I feel like it's better with only just one box like this because it's an amazing box anyways. So now moving forward, you just have the one box monthly, or you can buy the one-time gift box. So just wanted to say that change before I forgot again. So let's go inside and see what this May box brings. Here's a sneak peek to inside of the box. You have your cards right on top. The first one is saying thank you for your purchase, and you can tag them on social media if you would like. And then the theme says, take time to read a new book or listen to a podcast. You always have to take time. Mental health is very, very important. And then down inside, a sneak peek to what's inside of the box is right about there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So sorry, this is not the actual theme. The theme for May is springtime fun. Like flowers in a garden, a mother's love blooms in every season, nurturing and guiding her little ones through life's forever changing beauty. So that is the theme. Oh, because Mother's Day is May. Duh. Okay, so let's go ahead and start seeing what's inside. I have all of the pricing and everything, so I can let you know how much everything is. So the first thing that we saw right on top, which I know she's going to love because you always need little hair accessories and little things like this. And these are nice and small and little, so she can get with her little tiny hair because her hair is so thin. But this is Tiny Treasures Baby 360-piece hair set. And that is what it looks like up close. But you see all of those different colors of the little rubber bands and then like those little tiny clips. This would be perfect for her because her hair, again, is it's like thin and little. She's only 12 months and she doesn't have thick hair. So she has really thin hair. So this would be perfect for her. I love those little clips in there. Oh my goodness. Those are gonna look so cute in her hair. So for this 360-piece hair accessory set, it's $8 value. So there is item number 1, and that is so cute. I love the case too, how it's like a what is that? A rainbow? Yeah, a rainbow. I don't know why when I went to say rainbow, it didn't make sense to me in my head, but yes, that is a rainbow. So there's that guy. Next we have, it looks like we have like a little rattle type toy here. This one says Sassy Rattle, valued for $5.45. It looks like you might be able to hook it on something too if you wanted to, but here is a little rattle. All right, and now we have is a cute little hair bow that is adorable. Baby girl bow set, valued for, oh, that's why that says it's a set, because there's more in here. Valued for $10.99. Is that the only two then for the set? Yes, everything else is different. So you have these two bows. That is super, super cute. And then you have an outfit. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. Let me get it all opened here. Oh my gosh, I love these butterflies. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is a whole onesie here with just little sleeves, little short sleeves. And look at those butterflies on there. Oh my gosh, and I think she's gonna look so cute in yellow. So here is a yellow onesie, and it looks like you can put it, look at how cute these little shorts are. Oh my goodness. And they go up the side like this. Look at how cute those shorts are. So you can literally wear it with that to have a complete set, or there is one more shirt in here. So let me set this one down. This one's a regular t-shirt, and look at the butterflies. And again, you can use this to go with this set, because there is a yellow butterfly there. So the only thing I kind of wish is that these were yellow, so then it could be like a complete, I mean, it will match with this one. It just wouldn't really match as much with this set because there's no pink in the all yellow. It just has a little bit of blue. So I'm just thinking I wish these were like a yellow or a blue so they could have matched with both of them. That's just my own thing. But these are super, super cute. I love this little outfit. These little shorts are adorable. And of course, I love these butterflies, and perfect for like springtime right now. Is it technically spring? Here in Florida, it seems like it's already summer, being almost in the hundreds. Well, actually it is in the hundreds. So it just seems like summer to me, but that is like the perfect time of year for these colors and the butterfly. That is so cute. And then there are, oh, there's two items in here, I guess, for the mom this month, probably because of Mother's Day. So a little extra pampering for the mom. I think that's great that you get a little free gift for the mom, so it's not just for the baby. They have a little free item as well. This month, it looks like there is a 2-in-1 facial scrub brush. There's that right there. And then it's a 6-pack of powder puffs to apply loose or pressed powder. Blend and Blur by Jessica Simpson. So there's that. And it shows you on the back right there. So it says reusable 6-pack of those little puffs right there. So that is really cool that there's two different things, like I said, for the mom this month, for being it's Mother's Day. That's really cool. And so it says the 2-in-1 facial scrub brush, free item for mom, and the 6-piece powder puff, free item for mom. So you have your two free items for the mom. You have this adorable 3-piece set. Oh, and this right here is a 3-piece set for $29 value. So $29 for this 3-piece set. You have the two bows, but again, I wish they were like a navy blue or a yellow to match everything. You have these hair accessories to go with anything, which I love that. And they're gonna look so cute in her hair. And then you have this rattle. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for the May 2024 box. Again, this is geared towards a 12-month-old baby girl. It's all going to be a mystery of items inside based on who it's going to. Age, gender, colors, all of that appropriate just for you to whoever it's going to. So it's always going to be a new little mystery in every single box based on that. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do actually have my own code they generated for you guys, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. So the Little Bee box includes 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. Again, they ask you several questions when you do order, so it's tailored for the baby it's going to be going to. If you want to do a month per month term, that's the gold membership, that's $51.95 per month. The silver term will bring it down to $45.95 for a 6-month term, or the platinum to go a whole 12-month term will bring your box price down to $43 per box. And again, they do have that one-time box that I always love to tell you guys is a great thing, because if you know anybody who's going to be giving birth or having a baby shower or a baby's birthday or anything like that, if you can attend or not, you can purchase this one-time box. They will tailor it for that specific child. You can ship it straight to the recipient, or you can ship it straight to you, wrap it and bring it with you if you're going, that kind of thing. So you do have a lot of different flexibility when it comes to that box. The one-time gift box is $65, and that one does include free US shipping. And then you get to select newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. And then a color being pink, blue, or neutral. And then they'll take all of the guesswork out of it. They will tailor that box for that age appropriate. So then you don't have to try to figure out, what do they need at that age? What do I need to get them? They will take care of all of that for you. So now that is everything to say about this particular box. You have those two options, the gift box or the monthly subscription box. So if you'd like to check them out, they will all be linked down below. And don't forget, SheCrafty will get you that 30% off your very first box if you're interested. If you would like to see more information about me, learn more information about my animals, get other discount codes about other companies, that kind of thing, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. I have it all right there for you guys. So that is everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.